everyone, welcome to Sew Aldo. On today's tutorial, I will show you how to easily take in a skirt waist without sewing. So if you want to see how, keep on watching. The other day, I went to the thrift store and I found me some cute vintage skirts. So the first one is right here. My mannequin is wearing it. I already took it in and I will show you how I did that later on. And this is the other skirt that I got. If you want to sew it, of course, you are free to do so if you want to really alter it the proper way. But if you don't know how to sew and you don't have time to do it, and you don't have the money to take it to the seamstress or to the alteration place, you can easily take it in by using safety pins. I love using these for this type of skirt alterations. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I post new video every Monday at 5 o'clock in the afternoon Central Time. Without further ado, let's go into the tutorial, shall we? So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If it did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have the subscribe button right there. Be sure to click that and hit the notifications so you will get notified whenever I post a new one. Until next time, I will see you soon. Bye!